French fries? Or do I have gummy candies? Or do I have both? Look, wait. Do like this. Like that. Something like that. So it's French fries gummy candies. Where is it made from? Germany. Yeah. It's, if it did not have gelatin, it would have been vegan, guys. Look. It's German. Tyskland means German in Danish. Yeah, this is Scorpio and Whitey. If you don't know me yet, just, there's some people downloading my videos. Okay, let's open this. Marie, are you excited? She's excited, yeah. Yeah, they had a tape here. Look, plastic. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my god, look, come, so you can touch. It can be like this. Oh, with a ziplock. There's a ziplock, look. And guys, it was so expensive. 34 Danish crowns. How much is it divided by 6? Is it about $5? No. 6 times 5. Yeah. I only, there's one more shape, but yeah, I will buy that later. Oh my god! Love! Banana flavor. Maria says banana. It's gooey. Guys, it's gooey. Like marshmallow. Oh, I love it has sugar on top, sugar. So it looks like salt. No salt. No, so it looks like. As you can see, there's sugar. Maria said, I don't think, love, is it gummy? It feels like marshmallow. Look, guys, look. Would you buy gummy candies for $5? I think it's too expensive. Yeah. I'm a cheapskate. It's good they had it in Ziploc, guys, because it's 200 grams. Oh my god! And I haven't eaten. It really looks like French fries. My god! Look, Maria said they put sugar so that it would look like salt. in my Scorpio and ASMR channel. It says 100% French pomfret. It's not 100. It's candy. It's entertaining to eat it, guys. But why does it feel feeling like this? Oh, it's time for it to do. Did you hear the alarm, guys? It's time for me. I will just take away the ear. Let's see, lock it. I don't want to raise it. Now it looks like it has never been used before. Maybe this is a better thumbnail. We will see. And I just lock it. So that, Swedish. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, just 3 more days or 2 days before I fly to, my god. Bye bye guys.